Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprint.com podcast. And this is your favorite host, Billy. In this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the best business idea that'll generate more income into your bank account. So if you are new here, hit the like button for your favorite host and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any single one of these life-changing ideas. And while you were here on YouTube, might as well hit the bell notification for your YouTube to alert when we're posting new content. Don't think too much now. You'll end up benefiting more from these information we're about to share. So for today's episode, we'll look at how to make money on Robinhood. Stock markets and index funds play an essential role in people's lives. While getting rich via stocks investment seems easy, but it is also possible to lose money, and most people don't think about that. It will help you to diversify your investments for a minimum risk. But how do you invest in stocks? Robinhood is a user-friendly app that offers commission-free trading to buy any stocks from your smartphone. You also receive a free stocks when you join with the link in the description. And in this guide, we're outlining some clever investment strategy that you can earn profit over time. So these guides are not of our own, but it take our team time to research for you. So let's kickstart. Well, you can make money with Robinhood by holding stocks that will pay dividends. You can then reinvest the dividends to earn more compound interest. Beside this, you can also earn money by asset appreciation. That means when the stocks go up and you sell it for a higher price. For example, if you bought Apple stocks for $30 a share and sold the stocks at $150 per share, then your net gain will be $120 per share. Making money on Robinhood consists of two smart strategies. First, earn through dividend. Second, utilize the buy low, sell high philosophy. This is harder than it sounds, trust me. Dividend income. The dividend is a sum of money that a company pays to a shareholder from its profit. Dividends are paid when a company does not reinvest profit but give them to shareholder. So the shareholder will have more interest in buying and holding the stocks. The dividends are paid based on percentage of stocks price. They're also called the dividend yield. For example, if a corporation offer an annual yield of 50 cents per share, if you bought 1,000 shares, you will collect $500 dividend income annually. Robinhood offer an option for reinvesting dividend income. If you opt for this, you will earn an additional share. The next dividend payment is more than its previous payment. So this is what we call compounding your interest. Asset appreciation. Appreciation is the key in value of an asset. For example, if the product you purchase $10, you sell for $15, then you make a net profit of $5. Similarly, asset appreciation is a smart strategy when looking to make money on stocks investment. In Robinhood, you can buy low and sell high. For this strategy, you have to predict which share will grow and when to sell. You should look for Robinhood independent analysis rating throughout to get a thorough understanding. These will help you make better buying decisions. What I suggest is look up for the medium average line and use the medium average line to trade. Trend trading seems to be one of the top strategy in stocks trading. So what is the fastest way to make money in Robinhood? The fastest way to make money in Robinhood is by buying exchange traded fund or ETFs. They'll give you exposure to the stocks market without you having to buy an individual share. Of course, it would help if you bought an ETF that tracks the market index. For example, the Vanguard Total Stock Market Fund. After buying the ETF, you should hold onto the fund for a long time because the stock market yields around 10% every year. So you don't have to do anything. You just buy the ETFs and let it work for you, and you get a 10% every year. So how long does it take to make money on Robinhood? When you sell stocks, the more money come into your Robinhood account. But if you want to transfer the fund back to your account, it will take about 5 business days. If you sell the free referral stocks you receive from Robinhood, you must wait for 30 days before withdrawing the fund. How much can you make on Robinhood? Well, you earn a 0.3% annually percentage yield on the uninvested cash. This means if you start with $1,000 on January 1st and you do not withdraw any fund, you earn $3 annually. So what are the pros and cons of Robinhood? Robinhood is a finance platform offering commission-free U.S. Stock trades. It does not charge you withdrawing or inactivity fees. Since it offers free U.S. stocks and ETF trading, you can generate a stable income via various financial strategies. However, Robinhood provides you with limited access to assets. This limited product range can make you reconsider the assets appreciation strategy. Investment and trade are risky when it comes to the stock market. So trading on Robinhood also come with a potential loss. However, one key to avoid losing a lot of money is through a good risk management. You should always set a stop loss. If you're going to risk $10 on a trade, make sure you can make $13, $15, or $20 on that trade as a take profit. So my final take, with every investment come with risk and potential loss, even if you're starting a business. Same goes with stocks. Therefore, before investing in a stock market, you should know the stock index, buying and selling strategy, and the potential risks involved with trading. What I would recommend for a new trader is if you want to be safe, really safe, just buy ETF and let your money grow to 10%. After that, you can pick out your favorite stocks and just let it grow. But if you really want to risk and day trade, then you should really look into a medium average strategy. Buy low, sell high. So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in situations like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.